Hey, what's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review on a couple cool products from a family-based company based out of DC named Gadget Wraps. Now you can go to gadgetwraps.com to check out all of the cool accessories and gadgets accessories that they have for sale. They got a whole bunch of stuff for smartwatches and gadgets for the Amazon Echo, the Google Home, and all type of stuff. So make sure that you go to gadgetwraps.com and check them out. And at the end of the video, I'll put up my affiliate link. So if you want to purchase any of this stuff, then you'll get hooked up with some cool products for a nice, cool price. So the first thing that we're going to check out is a screen protector for the Samsung Gear S3. So this is from gadgetwraps.com. I'll put a link in the description so you can go directly to these products that I'm reviewing. But let's check it out real quick. And they give you a nice little card and some information. So definitely check that out. And they give you, I don't know how many screen protectors there is. It seems like a few. So it's like 6. So 6 screen protectors. So that's cool. So let's check them out. Get it out of here. And it fits on there perfectly. Y'all see that screen protector on there? You probably can't see it. It's kind of hard to see. But screen protector on there. Looks good. I'm with it. And it is for the Samsung Gear S3. And what it is some watch bands. Some silicone watch bands. So y'all know I like the style and profile. So if you the same or you just want to have, you know, one steady watch color to go with, check them out. They got a whole bunch of different colors. So 22 millimeter, and they got the quick pen. You know what I mean? Quick release pen. Gotta love them quick release pens. I'm telling you, gotta love those. They save time and effort. If you're into saving time and effort, then definitely check those out. All right, so let me smell them real quick. Now, originally when I bought these watch bands. I think I got like 8 different colors, and they all had this smell to it. Kind of smelled like gasoline. This weird smell to it, and it was probably on there for a few months. It was probably on there, and it eventually wore out. But these do not have it. So these are silicone 22 millimeter straps, wristband straps for the Gear S3, and they do not have any smell whatsoever. So that's definitely a positive. Now I got a few different colors. I got this one is pure orange. I got hyper pink right here. I got purple glow, which is that one right there. I got pastel rose, which I think is that one right there, and then I got sand, which is this one right here. So a couple of different colors. Definitely check them out if you want to style and accessorize your watch bands. So let's try these watch bands out. See what it look like. Pop that off real easy. And this is what it looks like on my wrist. So definitely looks hot, looks good. Now if I had to say anything that was a concern of mine is just the length. Now I'm gonna compare these to these, and you see that there's a significant difference in the length. Now even if I did these are more about even. The white one's just a tad longer, but these ones on this strap, you could tell the white one is significantly longer. All right, so that for the big boy, you know what I mean, like myself, it makes it a little tighter on the wrist. So I like them to be a little bit larger longer in length, and it would make it a lot more comfortable. But these are definitely hot. I like the Gadget Wraps logo or Gadget Wraps branding on the band. That's hot. Could have put it on the outside too. That would have been real smooth. So then, you know what I mean, you show somebody like, look, that's that Gadget Wrap. You know what I mean? But definitely dope. I like these bands. I'm definitely going to accessorize myself with these. And these is a hot way to go. So check out GadgetWraps.com and you can check out these silicone bands for $12.95. Screen protectors that I showed you are $10. So definitely check them out if you're in the market for a screen protector for your Gear S2 watch. But it's Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.